Now the story of two girls who love movies and food.
And the one dinner party they had no choice but to host for their friends. It's Cinema
and Spice. Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
and Spice. Today, we are making the infamous cornballs from Arrested Development.
One of our favorite moments from the past 3 seasons of Arrested Development is when they always make cornballs and they always burn themselves. So we're going to make them sweet and savory. So when your guests are over for 7.5 hours watching all of the new episodes on Netflix,
lots of stretching,
they can go back and forth between dessert cornballs and meal cornballs. So we're gonna do the savory right now.
We are going to take a mixture of spelt flour, cornmeal, baking soda, and salt. Add it to the bowl.
Perfect.
1 egg.
Ooh, can I crack it?
Please, girl. Oftentimes people buy buttermilk for recipes, don't end up using all of it so it goes to waste. Good trick, take half a cup of soy milk.
Okay.
With a tablespoon of lemon juice in it.
And that's how you make your own buttermilk. You put the lemon juice in the soy milk and it curdles it a little bit. You can use any kind of milk, right?
Any kind of milk. We're using soy milk. While we let this curdle, I'd like to talk a little bit about the cornball.
Okay.
Outside of the world of Arrested Development, they are called hush puppies. Do you know how the hush puppy was created?
I don't. Natasha, tell me.
One of my favorites is that they would use little pieces of fried dough, the Confederate soldiers, and throw them to the dogs so that when they were approaching Union territory, the dogs wouldn't alert everybody. Also, some people say they were originated by nuns.
That's a stupid fact, Natasha. Just kidding, I liked it. Okay, what do we do next?
So next we're going to add our soy milk, and then as soon as that's combined, we add onion,
okay,
garlic, green onion, corn,
ooh, these look good already,
and optional treat, cheddar cheese. And we're also going to add crushed red pepper and regular pepper. We are going to put this to the side, and we're going to work on our sweet corn balls.
Perfect. We start with the same flour mixture, and we add in vanilla sugar. We get ours from Bach Dough Flavorings.
So good.
So good.
We're gonna add some fresh corn.
Perfect. An egg, right?
1 egg.
Woo!
And lastly, we're gonna add our soy milk, buttermilk.
Then we're gonna mix it up. Can I tell you an amazing fact about Arrested Development?
Please do.
So, Lucille, too, is an amazing character. She's so funny, played by Liza Minnelli. And do you know how they got her to do the show?
How?
Producer and narrator Ron Howard used to be babysat by her when he was little. Isn't that crazy?
That is so
he
cute.
called in the favor himself. No one could believe that she would do the show, and now she's made history on one of the greatest shows ever.
She's the best.
She's the best. Okay, so this is all nice and mixed up.
Now we've got our sweet rendition, and we didn't put too much sugar in it because we're gonna top it with sugar. So now we have sweet and savory. We're gonna fry these bad boys up.
Let's heat the oil.
Hush, puppy. Before you start frying the corn balls, once the oil's hot, take a little bit of water and toss it into the pot. If it splashes back a little bit, it's ready to go.
Just 1 drop.
Too much? Turn it down. It's easiest if you use 2 spoons to form the corn balls. And then once you have them in the oil, you want to cook them for about 3 minutes. Put them on a paper towel. Let them sit for a minute, soak up some excess oil, and then we're gonna finish the sweet ones with some sugar in a bag.
Yum.
Our favorite part, tasting. So our savory ones are ready to go. What do we do with the sweet ones?
We put a little bit of vanilla sugar
into our bag. Oh, are you kidding?
Not light-handed, are we? A little bit of cinnamon.
Shake it. Woo! So we're going to put a little bit of maple syrup down on the plate.
Ooh, they're so beautiful.
Time for the tasting. Unconventional, but sweet first.
Oh my goodness.
Your friends are gonna love these.
It's really good.
Shall we try the savory? Here, you wanna share one?
I do.
Because we have to save room for later. Oh my.
They're so crazy good.
Combine this with the chocolate-covered bananas and the amazing pillows, and your friends are gonna have the best night ever.
So check out all of the videos we have for our Arrested Development episode, and stay tuned for next week.
Bye.